Ever wanted to run an Android tablet right on your PC or laptop? In this 2025 guide, I'll show you step by step how to install an Android Tab Emulator that works perfectly on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Whether you are testing apps or recording mobile tutorials or just want to tablet experience on a desktop, this method works smoothly on almost any computer. Let's jump right in and get everything set up. First, you need to check visualization is enabled in your PC or laptop. To check that, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance and select the CPU. In visualization, you can able to see enabled in my case. If in your case it shows disabled, then check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video to enable the visualization. After enabled the visualization, you can proceed to the steps shown in this video. Just open up Chrome and set Android Studio and press enter. Select the first official site. Select the Android Studio Outer and scroll down and select the I have read and agree with the above terms and condition and select download Android Studio. It started downloading 1.3 GB. After the downloads get done, just click on it and install it, guys. Select the yes option and select next and select next and select next and select install. And after get this done, select this next option and select finish. Select the don't send option. Select here next option and select next and select the next option and select this accept option and select next. Select this yes option after the installation done and select finish. And you can able to see more actions drop down and select this virtual device manager. Select this plus icon on the top. Select the allow option. Select this plus icon and create a virtual device and select here tablet and select pixel tablet and select next. In API, click on the drop down and select Android 16 and go to additional settings and scroll down. To select the internal storage, you just need to open up File Explorer. In my case, I have C drive free 110 GB. You can select the half of the size of the C drive. I can go with 55 GB internal storage and then scroll down. To set the CPU cores, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance and go to CPU. In my case, I have 24 cores. You can select a half of your cores, guys. So I'm gonna select here 12. And same thing for RAM. Go to memory. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM. I can select here 16 then and go to device and select this Google Play Intel Atom System image and select finish. And Pixel tablet has been created. Select this play option. And as you can see, the tab has been opens up. You can log in to the Google account using the Play Store and whatever apps you can download it. You can use it like a normal tab using your mouse, guys. And that's it. You are now installed the Android Tab Emulator on your PC or laptop, fully working on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech guides and emulator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.